Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Teesside University Blackboard account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Teesside University Blackboard account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Teesside University Login Blackboard. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page, and over this page you can tap on this first option which says Blackboard Teesside University. And after tapping on that, now you can tap on this sign in option. After tapping on sign in, now you have to enter your email address, phone number or Skype which you have used to link with your Teesside University. I will use my username. So after entering your username, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you can enter your password. And after entering your password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your Teesside University. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten password, and after tapping on forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password and then create a new password for your account. After creating a new password, just come back to this page and enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you are successfully signed into your Teesside University account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your Teesside University Blackboard account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.